What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're creating a sketch illustration of the Skull Trooper from Fortnite OG. Now I'm going to begin today's lesson by adding some guidelines in the center of our page to help with the balance and symmetry of our drawing. Let's start by sketching a line coming down the center of our page. Starting from the very top, just going to lightly work our way down towards the bottom. Let's go up to the top, draw another line going across from left to right. Now I want to use these two lines to help us create a circle along the top of our page. So from that center point, let's move up and just mark off the top of our circle. And then we'll take that same distance from the center down towards the bottom. Let's repeat that across this horizontal line. So measuring the distance from the center over toward the left and then the right side. Now I want to connect the center point of each mark with a curve to create our circle. So let's start with the top left. And the circle doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to rough this in. Let's get the right size and placement along the top of our page. Let's move out to the side of our circle, draw another straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. And then we'll add another line going across the bottom of our circle. Now I'm going to place the eyes along this bottom line. So let's leave a gap in between the eyes, move over toward the left, draw a straight line going up. Take that same distance from the center up on the right side. Now I'm just going to extend this down towards the bottom. From these 2 points, let's angle the brow going up and then out towards the side. And then from the inside, angle this up and in. And then we're going to tuck the eyes in underneath the brow. From this bottom point, let's step up, draw a straight line going out. And then from the outside, curve the eye coming down and then in. Now I'm going to go back and add some more shape to the eyebrow. Starting from the top, just going to angle this down and out. Pull this up and in towards the top. Now we're just going to taper this down and in towards the inside of the brow. Let's add that patch around the bottom of the eyes. Starting from the bottom corner of the eyebrow, come around towards the bottom, just bend that up on the inside. Let's go to the center, step down, just going to mark off the tip of the nose with a straight line. And we'll sketch a small circle in the middle. From the outside, just curve this up towards the top, round it out, and then come back down. Now, from the tip of the nose, let's step down, draw another straight line going across the mouth. Let's curve the mouth going up. From that center point, let's bend this out, and then up toward the left, and then the right side. Now from here, I'm going to go in and separate out the teeth. Let's start from the center. I'm just going to bend this up toward the left and then back down. Looks like a half oval. Do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to add a few more teeth on either side, going a little bit smaller. And we'll do the same thing on the right. Let's curve the bottom row of teeth. Starting from the outside, come down and up. Just going to line these up, coming in towards the middle and back up towards the right side. Let's draw an oval in behind the teeth on the side. Start from the top, go up, down, and then back up underneath. From the bottom of the teeth, let's step all the way down. Just going to mark off the chin with a straight line. Let's go out to this line, bend the jaw, coming down and then in towards the chin. Let's add the edge of the mask along the outside. Start from here. Bend this down and then in. And then going up to the brow line, curve this up and then in. From the jaw, it's going to draw the edge of the collar. I'm going to come down, round this out, and then pull that back up. And then from up here, it's going to slope the shoulders, coming down and out. Now you want to bump out the side of the head going around the ears. Let's start up here, come out, and then down. Bend this down and then in towards the jaw. Let's go back and clean up our drawing by erasing these guidelines. Now we're going to use this rough sketch as a guide to help us add some more detail and refine the shape. Let's start with the brow. Start from the inside, just going to bend this up and then in. just going to darken up the lines as we go. Work our way across the bottom and then up. And bend this down towards the side. Now we're just going to add a little bit more detail inside the eyes, starting with the brow. I'm just going to lightly tuck the iris and pupil underneath the brow, underneath the eyelid. Just get the right positioning. We can go in and just add the pupil. Smaller half circle. Darken up the pupils. And leave a little bit of a highlight on the top left side. And I'll lightly shade in the inside of the iris. Going down, just working our way around the nose. Now I'm just going to refine the shape of the head along the top. I'm going to bulk this out a little bit more. Go up towards a point. Go back and add that center seam. Now I'm just going to lightly add that stitch line across the mask. I'm just going to add some folds across the collar. Just working our way out across the shoulder. And now let's go in and just darken up the inside of those markings around the eyes. Start with a medium shade first. Just shade in the cheekbones and then fade that down. I'm just going to darken out the bottom of the hood and then fade that up along the side. And the head's going to cast a shadow across the neck. Just going to darken up the top and then fade that down. Now, as we get near the end of our drawing, we'll just tighten up our shadows and add a little bit more contrast, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Skull Trooper from Fortnite OG. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Hey everyone, if you really want to discover your artistic potential, then join our Club Masterclass membership. For just $1 a month, you'll gain instant access to exclusive members-only drawing tutorials, virtual art camps, and much, much more. Join our thriving community of passionate artists just like you, and let your creativity soar. So just click that link in the description, and I'll see you in the club.